How to request a bold ride. Hey everybody, welcome back. If you'd like to request a bold ride, you may follow up the steps. So open up the Bolt application on your device and log in into your account. And once the application is launched, you should be finding this particular interface. Now what you need to do next is enter your desired destination into the where to field. You should be finding a where to section. Go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can select your destination. You can use the map directly or you can type it out. After that, choose up a destination first and then confirm your right. Tap on confirm pickup and you will be finding different options available. So first of all, you need to add up a payment method and you can select up your ride. And once that is done, that is how you basically request a bolt ride in 2 steps. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to request a bolt ride, you may just head over and follow up the steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll be seeing you in another video.